Hey guys, welcome to the next video. This is a ride from Bangalore to Belgaum. So the ride is around 700 kilometers. I'm in Naivedyam near Chitradurga and you can look at our bike. It's ready for the monsoon ride. So already it started raining heavily, but we are already prepared with our gears. So it's already drizzling and from here you will get an updates where we are traveling. Okay, so let me give you the background. So distance from Bangalore to Belagavi is around exactly 500 kilometers. So this road trip is basically we are visiting for one of the must visit monsoon ride, and there is a beautiful waterfall which I will be showcasing you during this journey. Probably if not in this video, but soon you might get another video. But know that I left Bangalore around morning 10 o'clock in the morning, and this is going to be like a 500-kilometer journey to Belgaum. So I'm gonna stay in Belgaum today and then continue my ride tomorrow, as I have to go a little further. But look at the view, guys. So it has already started raining like anything from Chitradurga. It's intermittently raining, and this is how the ride looks like. After some time, the rain completely got stopped, and I got a chance to look at the mesmerizing views. Take a look at the most cinematic shots. Finally, we are approaching towards Belgaum. Closely, the time is around 6 or 6:30 p.m. now. I have been riding for since morning 10 o'clock, and I'm super happy that finally I reached my destination. And at this particular time, there has been a heavy, dense rain where the visibility is almost like completely in the loss. However, take a look at how the ride looks like. Okay, so this is the highway, and I got the hotel, this one, Raga Boutique, for 1,500. So the plan is I'm gonna stay here. Let me show you how the room looks. So this is how the room looks like. You got a medium-sized bed. You got a TV, little bit of cabinets. You got a washroom. So 1,500, I think it's fair because this is just right opposite to the highway.